Hello everyone, welcome to Prillbook. In this video, we will have a look at lead management. We will cover the following topics in this video. Creation of lead from different sources, qualification of lead, conversion of lead to opportunity, and status of lead. To start with this video, we will be creating a lead record. To create a lead record, we need to log into the Prillbook. Here I am already logged into the Prillbook with the sales user. The sales user is the user who having access to create a lead record. To create a lead, navigate to the sales menu group, expand the sales menu group, click on leads menu, collapse this menu list. Here you can see the list page of lead. With the help of create button, we will create a lead record. Here you can see the create page of lead. Now I am going to add the details to the required and mandatory fields of this form. Now I am going to add a subject as lead for wall. Add first name, last name, then add valid email address, after that add a valid phone number, now I am going to add a company name, here you can change the currency from Indian rupee to euro, pound sterling and US dollar for this record. After successfully add the details to the basic and business section, now I am going to add the source for this lead. Here I am selecting advertisement from the drop down. After successfully add the mandatory and required field of this form, now I am going to click on save button to save this record. Here you can see the detailed page of lead record. To processing the lead, change the status as processing. Select the substatus from verifying or contacted as per your requirement. After selecting the status and substatus, click on save button to save this record. After successfully save this record, now I am going to qualify this lead record. For that, expand the status drop down, select the status as qualified and click on save button to save this record. After qualified the lead record, here you can see the convert button, create account button and create contact button appear on the form. To create account, click on create account button. To create only a contact record, click on create contact button. If you click on convert button, the account, contact and opportunity record will get created. Now I am going to click on convert button to create those two records. Here you can see the lead record get read only, and account, contact and opportunity record are created in the source section. In this video, we had an overview for a complete lead management process, starting from lead creation to processing on lead, lead qualification and conversion of lead. Thank you.